Right now I'm going to do a review on the world's smallest air compressor that I just purchased from Kragen. This is a car tire air compressor. It says it takes 10 minutes for a regular size car tire. I'm going to use it on my old truck just to see what it can do. It's quite impressive. It sounds like it works all right. I'm using it off of a power inverter. I'm not even using a real 12 volt source, so I don't get as much amps. I'm sure. I'm gonna check the air pressure. It's probably low. What is that at? Not even 15 psi. It was below 15. It was like right there. I didn't even know if it went to 20. So not even 15 psi. Let's see what this little thing can do. Oh, and it comes, which is crazy. It comes with, oh, I guess because it goes in your car. It comes with a huge cord. And there's a bogus work light on it. Seems like, oh, it comes with a Presta valve for road bikes. So there's a Presta valve, a bike pump thing, and a for your tubes, or for like inner tubes. Let's see if this thing works. Oh, Jesus Christ. It was already on. I like to turn them on as I'm screwing it so you lose no pressure. And that gauge is pretty accurate. It says less than 15 right now. That's right, where my old, this is from Track Auto, which is like an old version of Kragen or AutoZone. The smallest air compressor in the world. Supposed to take 10 minutes. We'll see what it'll do. I might skip through it. But we'll see if it overheats or it blows up. It smelled like burning electrical when it was brand new, but it sounds strong. The box is really small. I'm looking at the box. The fucking thing, it says lifetime warranty for $12.99. We'll see what it does. And it's cool that it's small because you can just have this in your car and not even notice it in the glove box. The next cheapest one was like double the price. I said I'm gonna try this bogus little one. The minutes are all based off the same size tire, so this one just takes twice as long apparently. Oh, and it says the power cord is 10 feet. I don't know if you can see that. 10 feet. The air hose is 4 inches. Nice. It's gone up a few PSI. It's at like 16 or 17. So it's gone up like 3 PSI. Is it going to catch on fire yet? Nope. It's not super hot or anything. Pour some beer on it. Well, I'm drinking Gatorade out of this can just to look cool. I don't want my neighbors to think that I'm sober. And we're hooked up right here on the Kragen Special jumper. If I was running this off the car, it would get a lot more power too, that's the thing. But I ran my other one off of this and it worked, but it eventually burned out. And I don't know if it burned out because I'm using this. Maybe someone would know that there is a thing, but I think it has a power shut off. Then you can check it. still says it's full. This doesn't take a lot. A car starting is a lot. This little one, this is the smallest one they have. It'll start my V8 Ford. It'll start this truck. Even the Ford with 0 power that can't even turn on the dome light, this little thing starts it. And there's a USB so you can charge your phone or whatever. And also it came with a cigarette lighter charger, so you can have a plug into your cigarette lighter once you get the vehicle running, and you can recharge this. And it's funny because I'm looking at the gauge right now. It's only gone up about 2 more PSI, but it's going. Since I plugged it in, it's only been 5 minutes. Even if it makes it past 20 PSI, I'll be impressed and surprised. The other one that was 3 times the size of this, I wish I had the other compressor. It's another one that was, they don't even have it anymore, but it would only get up to 25 PSI. Off the jumper inverter. I don't know what it will get off the cigarette lighter. This truck is so old that the cigarette lighter doesn't even work. Look at the tires, they're just dry rotted. The tire on the other side is so old that it said made in Japan on the tire. I don't think tires have been made in Japan in 40 years. This thing's a champion, dude. Oh, I touched the power button. That wasn't a fail. I blipped the power button. It's called a monkey grip. Established 1916. It's hard to believe. This sounds like some crazy company. Oh, dude, it's at 20 PSI almost. This thing is working. It's tiny. It doesn't even seem like it's struggling. Plus, there is a bogus work light, but I guess that's cool because if you're at night, you're going to want people to see you. And probably this is for girls or people that are nervous. They need to have a light so they're not scared, you know? This is great. World's smallest air compressor. A nice cord, a fat amount of cord. Look at all that. I should be sponsored by this thing. This thing is rad, dude. It's working. How does it have a lifetime warranty? That's so insane. I should just leave it on to see if it'll go up to 50 PSI. Leave it on for like an hour. Oh, I touched the button again. I was just gonna say I think the inverter wouldn't like that. Oh, it's at 20 PSI. This thing's working, dude. Light work for this little machine. I have to say I'm impressed. I think, yeah, we're about 7 minutes in, but it just doesn't seem stressed. The jumper's working well. It's powered my other one for a long time. It just gave up. It smells a little bit hot, but it's rocking too. 21 PSI. 21. Oh, it seems like it's actually breaking in, to be honest. The piston's probably breaking in. So it doesn't matter how big the tire is, it's the same amount of pressure. Man, I'm burning my leg on the ground right now. That's insane. That's crazy. Almost 8 minutes. Going up to 22 PSI. Let this thing work, just jiggling on there. I'm going to hold it up off the ground so I don't stress the valve stem because it's a big tire. On a car it won't be hanging, but I've had it hanging off the valve stem the whole time. I'm going to give it a chance. Definitely at 22 PSI, I'm already very impressed. It's in my hand, the thing's not hot. The little machine's not like overheating, it doesn't sound stressed. I'm very impressed by this thing. I don't even know if I'm going to put this video on. I'm just happy that I have a reason to document it. PSI. I'm gonna call it right there. Let it chill. That was like almost 10 minutes. I don't want to overdo it. Let's see what it says 22 solid. It went up a lot. Let's get it on the other gauge. Wow, this doesn't leak air either. It has no air leak. That's great. When you pull up the valve stem, usually there's an air leak. Wow. Where's that? On the camera, I can't tell if it's showing it. Anyways, it's well above 20. It's almost 25. Where's 25? Yeah, so it's reading on this gauge. It was reading about 23, 24 PSI. That's nice. That's basically as good as the other one. And if I left it on longer, it's not even. My other one blew up. That's also a tip I should have said. Once you turn it or undo it, you can let it run for a second because these have oil in them. Just to let it cool off. I should have done that, but I'm more interested in making the video like an idiot. Smallest air compressor in the world. Look at that, that's insane. The smallest air compressor in the world. Made by Monkey Grip, apparently. I've never even seen this brand, but it works very good. I'm very impressed. $12.99, it's pretty amazing. Not even from Walmart. You'd be thinking even Walmart, that's too cheap. This was from O'Reilly's. I keep saying Kragen. I got it from O'Reilly's. Kragen is the old name for that place. People are like, what's Kragen? Kragen doesn't even exist anymore, homie. Anyways, I'm impressed. It did it. I'm impressed this tire is still holding up with all this dry rot. Oh, did you hear that? I moved it. The truck's making squeaky noises. Look, the thing's got cobwebs on it. Just sitting. That's what happens when you have too many vehicles. But that's a great thing to have in your car. We'll test on that flat tire next. No, but this is great. I'm putting this in my fucking truck. It's cooled off already. That button's real touchy. That's why if you're going to turn it off, you barely gotta breathe on it. It worked for 10 minutes straight without catching on fire or overheating. I'm smelling it. It smells just like it did. Doesn't smell extra hot. Very impressive. Interesting.